Hey everyone. It is Monday night, a little bit after 8 o'clock, and I wanted to touch base with you personally instead of trying to type all of this out. I just wanted to give you a really friendly, gentle push reminder to make sure that you are doing every single assignment that's listed in each day's post. A lot of you are skipping some of those assignments. You might do the attendance, you might do the YouTube video and notes that I've listed, or you might do the STEM scopes, but I'm not getting very many people completing every single thing that's listed there. I'm not going to go back all the way to last week. I know last week was kind of our first time doing this, and we're trying to get our feet firmly on the ground and getting our routines. I know you guys are juggling 4 different classes and even some of your elective classes as well. And I know this is all new, so I promise you I'm being very understanding and know that this is maybe something you're still getting used to. So when you're having trouble with any of the links, please make sure you're coming on to the live teacher assistance, the Google Meet links throughout the day. I'm on from 8 to 9 and from 3 to 4 as well. And I am so ready to help you. I want to see your faces. I want to make sure you're feeling comfortable with the assignments. And our team, the sixth grade science team, is working really hard to tweak everything, because this is new for us too. So I'm not going to, like I said, I'm not going to go all the way back to the very first day last Monday and start hounding you for all those different assignments, even though I do have my trusty clipboard here that lists who has completed what. And I would like for you guys to try and take care of these missing assignments without me having to email your parents. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just go back to the Edpuzzle assignment from Friday, because that is our first graded assignment from our online learning time together. And I know there was crazy trouble with it yesterday, but out of all 4 classes, I only got like 14 grades submitted to me. Then I got about 8 more people who actually ended up sending me a picture showing me that they'd answered all the questions at the bottom, and I counted those. So if you're still having trouble with that, you can send me the picture. Edpuzzle does seem to be working as of tonight, so go ahead and I've added the link again in Google Classroom for you guys to make sure that you get that done. What I'm going to do is here's the things that I'm looking for. From Friday, the Edpuzzle graded assignment. That's the only one I'm going to worry about from last week. And then from today, I need to make sure obviously you've got to do the attendance link every single day, no matter what. And then I want to look at who turned in STEM scopes, because I'm looking at my list right here, and not everybody in every class has finished the STEM scopes video comment questions. So I think what I'll do, I'm going to try some things out here because I really just want to keep you updated so you're making sure you get everything done. Is in the comments, what I'll do is I'm going to list the students who have not finished the assignments. Okay, so if you think if there's a question you have about that, or you think you've done it and I don't have it on my end, hop on Google Meets and let's chit chat. We can figure it out together. Okay, so nobody's in trouble, but even though not all of these assignments are graded, please keep in mind all of the assignments together are going to give you this huge knowledge base that's going to help you do your best on the graded assignments that I give you. So please make sure that you're being very, very, very aware of each assignment I list every day that you need to do. Now, there's a new activity in our list called the optional may do activity. And that's simply, you may do it, you may not. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm not chasing anybody down for any of the may do activities. But the other assignment, attendance and the other assignments, I really want to make sure that you get those done so that they give you the biggest chance of doing the best on the graded assignments that come out each week. So having said that, I'm going to put a separate, I'll post in this link. I'll go ahead and post the Edpuzzle link in the comments, I think. And then I'm also going to list who I still need a grade from for Edpuzzle. I'm also going to list who I don't have attendance from today, Monday. Well, you're watching this on Tuesday, so it'll be yesterday for you guys. And then I'm also going to list who I'm missing the assignment, STEM Scopes what are comments, video, and questions. Okay? Hope this makes sense. Just trying to want to make it really easy for you guys. And like I said, sixth grade science team, we're constantly talking each day about how can we make it better? How can we make it easier? We just really want to be as helpful as we possibly can in this online learning environment. So please, please, please hop on for help. Okay? Whatever you need, I'm here for. Email me, post in Google Classroom, come under the live teacher assistance Google Meet links. Let me help you, please. Okay? I love and miss you guys. Have a great day, and I hope to see you. Oh, look, I got a special visitor who's getting ready to go to bed. What do you want to say? Can you say, what do you say? Say good night. Good night, everybody.
Wait.
All right, I got another one. Okay, and there's Avante. Can you say good night?
Good night. Who are you talking to?
I'm making a video for my students. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, hurry up, Larry. Hurry, 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 hurry. I got to stop the video. They're probably tired of watching. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Y'all scoot out of the way. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Make sure you get my autographs.
Bye, y'all. Love you. Mwah.
Wait, are they watching this right now?